Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to Lisbon. Today we will be sharing with you a series of resources that hopefully will help you build during the weekend. Okay? First of all, let me introduce ourselves. I am Alvaro and here's my colleague Guilherme. We are both solutions engineers on the Builder Growth team. Okay? You will find us during the weekend on the booth. You can come asking any questions. Okay, we are both technical, so hopefully we both will be able to solve your questions or route them to the right person. Let's start with the most important thing for everyone here, right? Prices. We are gonna give away 3 prizes. Okay, 1 on the continuity track, 2 on the new project track. The main thing we will be focusing, we will be looking at, it's product market fit, okay? What we really care is that if your idea, if your project really has product market fit, say it again, okay, if it has any chances of becoming a real product, it will be the most important thing for us. You can either integrate some part of our stack with an existing Solidity app you have. The low-hanging fruit for that will be Walrus, for instance, or you can build a project from scratch. I don't care in any of the 2 tracks. If you are willing to port your existing Solidity project to Sui, please be my guest, okay? Again, main focus, main judging criteria will be product market fit. Resources we prepare for you. There is here you will find a series of snippets, code snippets, okay? Mainly patterns, common use cases you will find in any dApp. How you will see there how it is made on Solidity and how you can make that thing work on Sui with Move. Okay? Everything we will be sharing now has a QR code, so you can check it and later in your own have some time digesting it. Okay? This is also some code snippets as well on how to use Walrus on EVM. Okay, you will find a lot of examples on how to integrate Walrus with any Sui app, with anything code on Move. But you can also use it as your replacement for ePFS, let's say, right? And you can use that along any other tool, any other platform. Here you will find some examples on how to do that with Solidity. Probably most of you guys will be using AI, hope so, for coding, right? So that's the thing I will recommend for building on Sui, any part of our stack, okay? This is a Cloud Code plugin I did develop, and for me, it's the best way of making Cloud, any Anthropic model, to work properly while coding on Sui, okay? That's quite important because, you know, the training is kind of stale on niche languages, as Move will be. So this is the best way of making sure that your coding agent will be proficient on our stack. And one last thing, but not least, we are quite excited of announcing, there was a new product launched on Testnet during this week, okay, that is Hashi. Hashi is a decentralized primitive on Sui that allows you to use your BTC as collateral, okay? It's something that will be grabbing a lot of attention, so I will recommend you guys to take a look. There you can find the official Testnet Hashi site, okay? And the other thing is a little explainer we built so you can check how Hashi works along with the code, okay? So you truly understand how to manage it. And that's it, mostly. You can find all those links here. A little heads up, we have a last-minute issue, so the QR code you will find on our booth is not working yet. Hopefully we can fix that during the weekend, but if not, that one there, okay, has all the links I have been sharing, link to our Discord, etc. Okay, you will find some people on the ETHGlobal Hackathon Discord attending you if you have any questions, and of course, feel free to reach us at any time. And that's it for me. I hope you guys have some questions that we'll be delighted to answer.